Now, don't get me wrong, I love playing with AI trends, but personally, I use AI a little differently. Not just for cool visuals, but to create real everyday things that people can actually use and benefit from it. I'm talking about coloring books, journals, and other digital products. It feels like every single day there's a new AI trend taking over the internet. Recently, my feed was flooded with people going crazy over Google Nano Banana. One of the cool features, you can upload an image of yourself and create all kind of wild imaginative things that you could think about. And of course, I had to try it. I uploaded my face and got these crazy creative results. And just when I thought that was wild enough, here comes OpenAI with Sora 2, a brand new social media platform where you can create the most bizarre, the most imaginative, the most creative stuff that you could think about. I was able to get a invitation code to go over there on Sora 2 and created a whole bunch of stuff. I was on it for 2 hours, just going down a rabbit hole, creating a whole bunch of crazy stuff, which was a lot of fun to do, and I enjoyed every minute of it. Have you tried OpenAI Sora 2 yet? Drop it in a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on these AI tools. Now, don't get me wrong, I love playing with AI trends, but personally, I use AI a little differently. Not just for cool visuals, but to create real everyday things that people can actually use and benefit from it. I'm talking about coloring books, journals, and other digital products that help people relax, refocus, and even build a side hustle. Because while it's fun to experiment, I'm way more excited about using AI to improve lives, not just impress timelines. And to be real, coloring books are not just for kids anymore. They are therapeutic, they relieve stress, and they are an amazing way to escape from our high-tech, fast-paced world. And the best part about creating coloring books using AI, the more OpenAI and all these AI tools upgrade their system, it makes it even more easier for you to chunk out a coloring book. You can literally type in an AI tool with something like this and say, give me 30 unique Christmas theme coloring book prompts. Then generate your pages, format them in Canva, and upload the finished book to Amazon KDP. Just like that, you have published your first coloring book. You have started your first side hustle. That is a lot of fun to do. You can earn a little bit of cash and take away some stress from that stressful 9-to-5 job that you're working. Now, if you're like me and you're juggling a stressful 9-to-5 job, I created a school community just for you. I call it the Quiet Quitters Plan B. It's a space for beginners who wants to turn their skills or passion into side hustles and use AI to actually create income generating products. I am so proud of what I'm building in my school community. It's brand new and it's packed with a lot of value. So if you're ready to create, grow, and build your plan B, come join me. And if you're interested in creating your own coloring book, watch this video where I am showing you step by step how you can do this using AI and uploading it on Amazon KDP. I'll see you in my next video.